BILCO was founded in 1926. The original name was Builders Iron Company. Through some iterations, it evolved to BILCO Company. In 1936, they received their first patent for a basement door.
George Lyons looked for solutions, right? So he had leaking basement doors, so he wanted to design a solid door that wouldn't leak. So he created the BILCO door, as colloquially referred to up in the Northeast. You know, it's kind of like the Xerox name. Everyone knows the copier is a Xerox. So the BILCO door is known as the solution to the leaking cellar doors that they had that were wood without the weather stripping.
That product line opened up the opportunity for commercial product to be developed, which is the division that we service from this facility.
At this location in Truman, Arkansas, we have all kinds of custom engineered products now.
Roof products, sidewalk door products, smoke vents, different safety products.
BILCO basically has two divisions of the business, a commercial products division and a residential products division. The commercial products are sold internationally and include roof access hatches, so basically a horizontal door to get onto the roof. They come in many shapes and sizes for ladder access, stair access, or even equipment access. Automatic smoke vents, a life safety product that removes heat and smoke from a burning building. These products are used primarily in one-story buildings like factories, warehouses, and auditoriums. In floor access doors. These are doors that provide access to anything used underground. Could be pumps in a water or wastewater treatment facility, or anything stored underground by utilities. On the residential side, we have two main product lines. This is more of a regional product because it's tied to homes with underground basements. We make the BILCO basement door, which is a company's first product. It's a large opening that provides access to an underground basement area. And then we also make an egress window well. The egress window well allows homeowners to use a full-size window in their basement, adding light and ventilation into the basement. But both the window well and the basement door meet emergency egress code requirements for finished living space down in the basement.
BILCO has been good to me, and I feel like I've been good to them. I raised my whole family working at BILCO. My kids only know me working at BILCO. I'm proud of that.
You know, BILCO is known for having employees that not only are dedicated, but have a long service with the company. There's a lot of pride that goes into the BILCO products. The founder basically started manufacturing products out of his garage, and it's grown to an international company selling commercial access products around the world.
It's a solid company. You know, we have a tried and true product that's lasted for 100 years. And we're still growing today. That means we're doing something right.
It's a testament of resilience, of collaboration, of daily hard work that goes into making sure that we meet or exceed our customers' expectations. This is everybody's livelihood.
100 years to me, it means, man, it means they've built a good product for 100 years, and the cool thing about it, they still build it.
So the key is, you know, you started out designing a solution to a problem, and that's what we do today still, is design custom solutions for anyone that has that same kind of problem.
BILCO was acquired by Quanex in August of 2024. As part of that acquisition, they've been heavily invested in growing the BILCO business. We recently purchased a fiber laser cutting machine, which will significantly improve quality and efficiency in our operations. And we have several new pieces of equipment scheduled for delivery to further innovate our production processes.
The fiber laser for BILCO, what it's going to do is it's going to reduce our cycle times, and that's going to give us shorter lead times. It's going to help us meet customer demands and ship product on time.
So since we've had the fiber laser, we're able to increase the quality of the product that we make, because instead of hand punching or hand drilling holes that have to be aligned, you know, laser can do it and it's perfectly aligned. So to increase the quality of the end product to the consumer, but also helps with our assembly because it's perfectly aligned.
It takes 3 steps out of a 5-step fabrication process and puts it in one area. So now what used to be shear, coat, punch, bend is now laser cut, bend. And it speeds things up quite a bit, and it reduces our cycle time back here in fab. We can get carts out a lot faster than we used to, and it also gives us more precise parts, which are easier to weld.
Before, if there was something misaligned, we'd have to adjust it or remanufacture it. So it cuts out scrap and rework, and just makes an overall better quality product.
We're looking at automatic folding machines. We're looking at automatic milling machines for the saw cut operations. And so this is just phase one of a 5-year plan that we've got to bring in all of this automated equipment, this cutting edge technology that's going to get us to a point where we're fabricating precision parts exactly as they were designed.
Just recently, we finished up 9 doors that are emergency exits that will be used as part of the subway expansion in LA Metro. They're doing an expansion for the Olympics. It's going to be called the Purple Line, and this team completed 9 doors that will serve as emergency exits to be able to gain egress to the sidewalk in the event of an emergency there. We have doors pretty much everywhere in every major city in the United States. The World War II Memorial in Washington has doors that were built here. The World Trade Center Memorial has doors that were manufactured here. You know, every major city in the United States has access doors, either roof products, smoke vents, or sidewalk doors that were manufactured here in Truman specifically for those projects.